Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Yev. Recently I had a chance to test two major mechanical gaming keyboards of 2024. This is a Wooting 80HE and Keychron Key2HE. And today I want to share with you my thoughts about these two keyboards and which one is better for me. Stay tuned. First of all, I need to explain you that I ordered Wooting 80HE from their official site and waiting time was several months. And Keychron Key2HE, I participated in a Kickstarter project and waiting time also was several months. And today I am going to compare prices and kits for these two sets of the keyboards. Also, you can pause this video and check my initial review of the Wooting itself and the Keychron itself, so you will understand all nuances and aspects of these two keyboards. Okay guys, let's start from the prices for my kits, right? On the left side you can see Wooting, on the right side you can see Keychron, Key2, and from the in general point of view I've got basically the same, like a keyboard, wrist rest, coiled cable, obviously switches, keycaps, and all of that. But price for the Wooting was for me almost $400, and for Keychron it was a little bit more than $200. Okay, now let's quickly check a main tech specs of this keyboard. You can see on the left side Wooting 80HE, on the right side Keychron Key2. I'm not gonna to read all of this, you can check, but main difference is that Wooting is 80% layout, Keychron is 75% of layout. We have two different types of magnetic switches. We have a little bit better parameters for Wooting from the actuation point of view and pulling rate, but Keychron is wireless while Wooting is still wired. Everything else is pretty the same, RGB, keycaps, aluminum or zinc alloy cases, weight, size, software, all of that, right? Okay guys, now let's quickly recall what was a Wooting 80HE sound test. And what was a Keychron Key2HE sound test as well. Now, I want to show you this table, what I've done for this comparison, and I want to show you only the main difference or difference which make real sense for you as a real users of these keyboards, right? So as we already mentioned, Wooting is a little bit a bigger keyboard, but this is up to you which one layout you prefer, right? From the switch type point of view and switch class point of view, we have two different approaches, right? For for Wooting, we have this Keychron KS20, and you can find on the market a wide range of different switches what you can use. From other side, for Keychron, we have this Keychron KS15, and you have much less options on the market. That's why I mark it as orange, and it's only 0.5 points for this line, right? Actuation point difference 0.1 for Wooting, 0.2 for Keychron. Believe me, this doesn't make sense. You will never really can feel this, or it's no real difference in this, right? From the pulling rate, for Wooting we have 8K, for Keychron we have 1K. I told you many times, I don't believe in this difference. You will never be able to see the real difference on your monitor. So but from the formal point of view, you see this is 0.5 score for Keychron and 1 for Wooting. Wooting is wired, and this was the main disappointment for me actually. And it means what? That this keyboard is wired. Keychron is normal wired wireless Bluetooth keyboard. RGB is more advanced on the Wooting, much more advanced, so that's why I mark this as a red and green, right? And everything else is the same, and only the price, like for me, it was $400 and $200. Right now you can, I think you can order Wooting for around $300 and Keychron for $140, which is still difference in the price is like a double, right? Actually, guys, I need to say you that it was a surprise for me that at the end I've got an equal score, like 10 and 10, from formal comparison of tech specs point of view, right? But if they're equal from this point of view, why to pay more, double more for Wooting? Okay, guys, obviously you can find much more smaller nuances in a Wooting or some benefits of Keychron. Obviously, from the general point of view, the Wooting is a dedicated gaming, the most advanced mechanical keyboard for the given moment, but wired. From other side, Keychron is not worse from the gaming point of view, because this like 8K pulling rate and 0.1 millimeter difference in actuation point will not change your gaming whatsoever. But Keychron from other side is a premium looking keyboard that you can use everywhere for your home office, gaming studio, and you can connect this to the 5 different devices, 3 Bluetooth channels, 1 wireless and 1 wired. For me, this is super important because I can work as a blogger, I can work on my office work, and I can game with this keyboard without any limitation. And regarding the question, which one is better for me? I'm selling right now this Wooting 80HE on eBay. Link will be in the description under this video.